Alright, let's see what we can find today. Ooh, that looks nice. Damn, this hand been struggling with the clutch lever, so yeah, that should definitely work. Woohoo! Look what's arrived. Levers for the bike. That's the brake. Yeah, that's the clutch. The adjustable ones, I think pretty good. They come from AliExpress. They even got branding CB500X on them. And they're red, which happens to be my new favorite color. So time to pull off the hand guards and then pull out the levers and put the new ones in. Alright, so we got that off. I'm just going to start pulling the lever off. And the first thing I've noticed is to get that bolt out of the way, these two cables are in the way. So I'm going to have to unlock or loosen a little bit so I can lift both of them up. The throttle cable, there we go, we got some movement there. I've already pulled off the nut below, and it's just going to take forever if I do it by hand with that, so we'll just end up using my already greased up fingers. Pull out and lever comes out. And time to put this fellow in. Let's get it all set on high to start off with. It is greasy, so that's done, that one's done. Time to move to the fun side, which is the clutch side. How do you pull this off without undoing that? We've got a little bit of play, but that's not enough, obviously. So that's the clutch being pulled in and out. What I need to do is get it locked in that position. So I have found my little tool from my Motion Pro toolkit come handy. As a result, just look at that amount of play I have on my cable. Perfect. And there we go. So with you as well, we'll start you off on the highest setting. Get you locked in there. Size 10, put you back in place. There we go, the right amount of play with the adjustment. All the way out, halfway through, all the way in, though I doubt that's actually going to give me any clutch actuation. So we go midway. Here we are with the brake lever as well, all set up, seems to be working fine. Adjustable levers, clutch, brake. Obviously not visible once the handguards are on. But I've learned a valuable lesson. I'll make sure the handguards go back on. Always. Everything back to normal. What did you do? Nothing. I didn't change anything. You can't see anything. Beauty, ain't she?